मिडियाच्या ह्या खाशेल्या पॅटर्नात तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. खुबशे जाणांनी पळयलां की भारतांत आमी गोरवांचो पाडवो मनयतात. त्या वेळार आमी गोरवांची पुजा करतात, तांकां फुलां घालतात, तांकां तिकली लायतात आनी तांकां आमी एक रिस्पेक्ट दितात. अशेंच एक युनीक अशें फेस्टिवल म्हणल्यार कुकूर तिहार. हे कुकूर तिहार फेस्टिवला भितर आमचे सगळ्यांचे प्रामाणीक इश्ट म्हणल्यार सुणे, कुत्रे, डॉग्स, ते डॉग्स, कॅट्स हांची आमी फुलां घालून तांकां तिकली लावन तांची पुजा करतात, तांकां रिस्पेक्ट दितात. अशें हे कुकूर तिहार हे युनीक फेस्टिवल आमी आल्दोना हांगा AFA हे एंजल्स फॉर एनिमल्स हो NGO आसा, जंय खुबशीं जीं रस्त्या वयलीं सुणीं, जखमी सुणीं, जांकां पांय ना, जांकां दोळ्यांनी दिसना, अशे सुण्यांक हांगा AFA भितर रेस्क्यू करतात. माजरांकूय बी हांगा रेस्क्यू करतात आनी तांची हांगा सेवा करतात. दोगां जाणां भयणी, सेजल आनी श्रद्धा हो NGO चलयतात. आज आमी हांगा AFAन आयल्यात कुकूर तिहार हो फेस्टिवल कसो सेलिब्रेट करतात तो पळोवपाक. सेजल, हाय.
Hello, thank you.
So, what is the basic idea behind this Kukur Tihar festival?
So, Kukur Tihar is celebrated in Nepal. Kukur is a dog, Tihar is a festival. वहाँ पे they worship the dog, and it is part of the Diwali tradition where they say that the dog is the protector of your life because he pleases the Lord Yama. And so when you pray to the kukur, he will pray to Yama to protect you. So they are your guardians. So today is the day we celebrate that guardianship and thank them for protecting us by worshipping them and putting tilak and putting garland.
Okay. So, Shraddha, basically, how many animals are there over here at AFA, and what treatments you give, how you rescue? Something brief about your NGO.
We have about 100 animals, and we are doing all kinds of rescues from accident cases to abuse cases to TVTs to, I mean, everything. We have our own in-house OT, so we are able to do most of the special surgeries in-house. And yeah, we have even that dog from Aldona which got the gunshot wound, air gun wound. That dog is also
With yours.
yeah.
So, how do you all manage the financial thing?
God is kind, but we have a lot of support from individual donors as well as CSR, corporate.
Okay.
Yes.
But we are always struggling, and each month, you know, it's difficult. It's a big task on hand, but we are doing the best that we can.
So, for around how many years you all have started this NGO and especially this festival, Kukur Tihar?
This is our third year of celebrating Kukur Tihar. We started about 7 years back, but we registered the trust 5 years back. So officially we are 5 years old. We are the youngest trust in Goa.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, something more which would you like to say to our viewers?
I think the most important thing is that the essence of this festival, जो महत्व है, ये है कि हमको भगवान हर चीज़ में देखना है, हर जानवर में देखना है, and that is the reason that this festival is such an important day for angels, for animals. We believe that every being is a sentient being, and we need to live in peace and harmony with everything and everyone around us.
They, like we always say, they rescue us. We don't rescue them.
Okay.
You know, it is a way of doing seva to God because everybody is God's creatures.
Okay.
So this is our way of doing seva.
सो खंय तरी सुंदर असो मेसेज ह्या दोगांय जाणां भयणींनी, श्रद्धा आनी सेजल, आमकां दिला की ह्या संवसारान जितले लिव्हींग बिंग्स आसा त्या सगळ्या लिव्हींग बिंग्सांक आमी रिस्पेक्ट दिवपाक शिकपाक जाय. जसो गोरवांचो पाडवो आमी मनयता आसतना आमी गोरवांची पुजा करतात, तशेंच खंय तरी हे कुकूर तिहार हे फेस्टिवल जेन्ना आमी मनयतात तेन्ना आमी आमचो प्रामाणीक इश्ट, आमचो कॅम्पेनियन जाका आमी म्हणटात, ते कुत्रे आनी माणकुली अशी माजरां हांकांय बी खंय तरी आमी एक रिस्पेक्ट दिवपाक जाय. अशेंच खंय तरी कुकूर तिहार हे फेस्टिवल आमकां सांगता. आनी हे युनीक अशें फेस्टिवल दर वर्सा AFA म्हणल्यार एंजल फॉर एनिमल्स ह्या NGO भितर हांगा मनयतात.
अगर आप गोवा में रहते हैं और आप यहाँ आके इन कुकुर को, इन डॉग्स को देखना चाहते हैं तो वी इनवाइट एवरीबडी, प्लीज़ कम, वॉल्टियर कीजिए. यहाँ पे हमारा डॉग वॉक्स होते हैं सुबह और शाम, कैट कडलिंग होता है 11 बजे से 5 बजे तक. और अगर आप नहीं आ पाते तो हमें इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो कीजिए angelsforanimals.in.
ह्या कुकुर तिहार फेस्टिवलाक खासा उपस्थिती लायिल्ले GAF म्हणल्यार गोवा एनिमल फेडरेशनाचे मिस्टर KD राव हांगा आमच्या बरोबर आसात. हाव वॉज द फिलींग ओवर हियर आफ्टर विजिटिंग दिस?
Excellent, excellent. This is a lovely place, beautifully organized, efficiently organized, professionally run, with complete cleanliness and hygiene, which is so important as far as animals are concerned. And this is a lovely place, great team, and I wish more people come here, visit this Angels for Animals setup, and see for themselves the care that's taken for animals. And I would encourage schools and organizations to bring children and people here to see what is happening in this area and develop love for animals. You see, animals are part of us. We call them community dogs, so they are part of our family. So it's so important to see these kind of organizations which are doing an amazing work. And the beauty is that all these organizations are voluntary. Everything is done from your heart. So it's so important that we help support them both morally and financially. I've been to Nepal. So in Nepal, dogs are known as kukur. So this word as kukur festival has come from Nepal. But it's great to be here, and I'm so happy they're doing this.
जायते विजिटर्स ह्या कुकुर तिहार फेस्टिवलाक येतात, सुण्यांक मेळटात, स्वता आपूण जावन तांकां तिकली लायतात, तांची ओवाळणी करता. अशेंच एक एनिमल लवर म्हणल्यार आमचे रेश्मा जोस, ट्रेल ब्लेझर ह्या ऑर्गनायझेशनाचे जे वॉलंटरीली एनिमल्सां खातीर काम करता मोर्मुगांव हांगा. सो मुद्दम जावन ते आतां खासा मोर्मुगांवच्यान हांगा AFA भितर आयला. रेश्मा, कशें दिसलें तुका हांगा हे फेस्टिवल अटेंड करून?
उमेदीन हे फेस्टिवल हांगा सेलिब्रेट केला, पळोवन बरें दिसलें. आनी फक्त गोरवांकूच आमी पुजता नाजाल्यार रिस्पेक्ट दिता. इट नीड नॉट बी दॅट वे. यू नो, वी कॅन लव अँड सेलिब्रेट एवरी लिवींग बींग. तशें हें पळोवन कितलें मेहनतान हें सगळें काम केलां तेंच्यांनी, हाव मच एफर्ट गोज इन, कितलें साफ दवरपाक. इट्स अ कमेंडेबल जॉब. आमी सदां सेवा करता, तर ते सेवात आमची पुजा. सो एक गोरवां आसूं काय किंवा सुणें आसूं काय माजर आसूं, तांकां जेवण दिता. तांकां जेन्ना रोग येता तेन्ना तांकां रुग्णालय व्हरता, ट्रिटमेंट दिता, तांकां NGOन शेल्टरान व्हरता. वी डू ऑल दीस थिंग्स. इट्स समथींग दॅट वी ऑल नीड टू डू.
पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया.